Hello and welcome back, English learners. Do you want to know or do you want to learn English fast? Today's story is about Maya, a woman who had a huge and exciting goal. She need to learn English in only in 5 months. The story will show you exactly how she did it, step by step, one month by month. Get your notebook ready and listen very closely. She started this amazing 5-month journey. Chapter 1. Maya Maya was a great graphic designer in her city. She spoke her first language every day. Her life was very happy. One day she got a very important email. A big company in a new country offered her great job. But happy was one problem. The job started in next 5 months and she need to speak English very well. Maya English was almost zero. She knew hello and thank you, but that was all. 5 months, it was a race against time. Maya decided to start immediately. Her five first rule was study 3 hours every day without no excuse. Week 1. The new sounds. First, Maya listened. She listened to a simple English songs, short videos. She tried to copy the sound. She practiced the strange sound of the like 3, 2. She felt like little silly, but she kept practicing the sound of English. In week second, the first words. Maya bought a small and bright red notebook. She wrote down 10 new words every single day, like go, eat, happy, water, house. She wrote the word and she drew a small picture next to it. She looked at these words many times a day. She also used sticky notes to label everything in her room door, window, light. In week third, she started to make short sentences. She learned to put words together. I go. She is happy. She learned simple rules. Who did what? Subject, verb, object. She made mistakes, but she corrected herself and kept going. And end of the month one, lesson and routine. At the end of the month one, Maya knew about 300 words. She could understand simple instructions like please open the book. She started listening to a simple podcast for English learners during her walk. She didn't understand every word, but she understood the main idea. The feeling in month 1, confusion, but very strong effort. Chapter 2, the building house. In month 2nd, Maya moved from building to a single brick words to building a house sentences. This meant learning grammar, the rules for connecting the bricks. Week 5, time travel. Maya learned about tenses. This time, past, present, future. In present, I walk to work now. Past, I walk to work yesterday. In future, I will walk to work tomorrow. She spent many hours writing the same sentences in 3 different times. She used colored pens to mark the verbs, action words. In week 6, the ruler breakers. The most difficult part of this irregular verbs, the word that did not follow simple ed rule. Go does not become gourd, it becomes wind. Seed does not become seed, it becomes saw. Maya wrote all the rule breakers on a large poster and put it on her wall. She looked at every time she waited for water to boil. She had to memorize them. Week 7, flashcard and reviews. Maya made a many flashcards. She used one for English word and others for the language word. She reviewed her flashcard every 30 minutes before breakfast every morning. There was no negotiable rule. Even she was tired, she did 30 minutes. Week 8, writing practice. Maya started a short journal. Every night she wrote 5 sentences about her day in English. Today worked, I bought a new shirt, I bought a new car, the movie was exciting. She focused on using the correct grammar structure. Who did what and when. In filling in month, second, frustration. But the great progress, her sentences were getting much longer and better. In chapter 3, opening the mouth. Maya knew many words and rules, but her biggest fear was still there speaking. When she tried to talk, her mouth felt dry and mind went blank. This was the speaking wall. In week 9th, talking to the mirror, Maya decided to speak even if no one was listening. She stood in front of the mirror every morning and described simple actions like she picked up her keys. I am picking up the keys. She made the tea. First, I boiled the water. Then I put the tea bag in the cup. She spoke slowly and clearly. She focused her mouth to make the sound. In week 10th, finding a partner. Maya found a language partner online named Tom. They agreed to talk to her 10 minutes twice a week. The first conversation was difficult. Maya forgot many words. She was very nervous. Tom was kind. He spoke her very slowly. When Maya made mistake, Tom said, "Mistakes are great. Keep going." In week 11, shadowing. Maya learned a new technique called shadowing. She listened to a simple English speaker on a podcast, like me. Then she immediately repeat the exact same word and the tone. Right after the speaker said them, like parrot repeating its owner. Like speaker said, "I saw a small cat." Maya immediately uh, I saw a small cat. This helped to get a rhythm and the speed of English talking. Week 12, real conversation. By the end of the month 3, Maya and Tom were talking for 30 minutes. Maya could describe her day, tell a simple story. Her speech was slow, but the words were coming out. The fear was starting to shrink. The feeling in month 3, excitement and courage. Speaking well was now a much smaller. Chapter 4, going deep. Month 4, comprehension. Maya was now a speaker, but she wanted to fast reader and fast listener. She wanted to understand quickly and long stories. In week 13, reading books. She started reading her first very English book. It was a children's story with simple words and with beautiful pictures. She read every night. She found a new word. She tried to guess the meaning from the rest of the sentence. Only if she could not guess did she check the dictionary. In week 14, watching a real life. She started watching short English news reports and videos about her job design. She always used English subtitles word on the screen. She watched the video once without subtitles to train the ear. Then she watched it for a second and the word to check her understanding. In week 15, understanding the funny talk. Maya learned about idioms. These phrases were the words that does not mean what to say. It's raining cat and dogs. It means raining very hard. It is just a piece of cake. It means very easy. English sometimes sounded funny and confusing, but Maya realized that has a culture inside it. In week 16, preparation of for the big day, she received a date for a job interview. It was in 3 weeks. Maya focused on the specialized words for her job, project, budget, client, deadline. She wrote these words on index card and practiced using them in a sentence about her work. Filling 4 months, deep concentration, she could now read the whole story and feel more confident. Chapter 5, the final sprint. Month 5 was all about perfection and confidence. Maya had all the tools. Now she had to prove that she could use them under pressure. Week 17, mock interviews. Tom, her speaking partners, became the interviewer. He asked Maya hard questions about her work and her future. Tell me about difficult project you completed. What are you the best person for this job? Maya practiced her answers. She focused on using correct past tenses and when talking about her old work. Paul in week 18, polishing pronunciations. She practiced the sound until it was perfect. She learned to speak with clear and steady voice. In week 19, resting the mind. The Maya studied hard, but she also made sure to rest. She listened to soft English music, just for fun. She was not trying to learn new things, only to let her exciting knowledge settle. She reminded herself, I know enough to communicate. In week 20, the day arrives. Maya woke up feeling nervous but prepared. She remembered her first day, the zero start. It was her big test. The interview lasted for an hour. She listened carefully. She made one or two small grammar mistakes, but she immediately corrected herself and moved on. The conversation followed naturally. She was able to explain her project and her ideas clearly. Great tools. 2 days later, the email arrived. I said, welcome to the team. The job is yours. Maya smiled. 5 months of hard work paid off. She realized that the learning is not about becoming imperfect, it's about becoming ready and having courage to speak. The lesson ends here, and the conclusion is that there is no inspiring. Maya learned English not because she was genius, but because she was consistent. She did a little bit every single day. Remember her key lessons. Listen first, practice the grammar. Don't be too afraid to talk. If Maya can do it in 5 months, you can definitely do it too. What is this new studies habit you can try this week? Write it down. Keep practicing. Keep learning. And I'll show you in the next lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.